Student, good morning everyone. Today we will going to teach for the different questions that are very important for your exam, out of which today I will teach you explaining the data structure with a suitable diagram, linear array, linked list and tree. In the short form, the definition will be asked in the exam. Some of the exams that question asked that are March 2003, 8, 11, 12, 15 and in October also. Many exams uses that question for asking with the student. So you should have to prepare about that in a good manner. So we will see the different definitions like that. The first is linear array. Linear array is the data structure which consists of finite ordered set of homogeneous element. The important concept is finite ordered set of homogeneous element such that element of an array are referenced respectively by an index of the consistent consecutive number that consisting of consecutive numbers. So first of all we will think what is the main definition of linear array. The important word, underline the important word that will gives you the better idea for that answer, because this is very important fact that keep the definition in your mind in a good sense that you will get and you will manage the whole data according to your mind also. So for that, a linear array is a data structure. Generally, what is array? Array is a general thing that store the data elements in the homogeneous type of data and in the ordered type of data. Whenever data will be stored, it will be stored respective to the index number, relative to the index number consisting of the consecutive numbers. We will see the different definitions there. So the important sentence is a finite ordered set of homogeneous element. Finite ordered set of homogeneous element. It's called linear array. So write down the important sentence: finite ordered set of homogeneous element. Whenever you will think over the definition, firstly you have to see the example about that. When we have already learned about the linear array, in that point we got the example. In that example, data is arranged in the linear array with respect with the index number. So index number is important, so it is called the ordered set of homogeneous data element, and the memory locations of that is at the successive memory location. The second point is, look at the second point, the element of an array are stored respectively in successive memory location. And the third sentence is important, the number of n element is called length of size or the size or of array. Just change the word written of instead of or and or instead of or. Just change the sentence in your textbook. So the four sentences are important. The first important sentence is finite set of homogeneous data element. Second important sentence is there is a respectively index number consisting of consecutive number. the data is stored in the successive memory location, and the last important sentence is the total number of element is the length of array or size of array. So write down the four important sentence I have told right now. So look at the example. Data of 5 element in the linear array as shown below. 1 2 3 4 5 are the 5 elements, so we should have to write the index number from 1 to 5. Write down any data element. You can input any data element into the linear array, so that will gives you the detailed idea about the array. So the linear array point is completed. Next point is linked list. We have already known about the linked list. This is also the another way for storing the data element into the memory with the help of linked list. It is a linear collection of data flow in only one direction, but there is non-homogeneous data elements can be added here. The collection of data element called node, and the linear order maintained with the help of pointers. Linear order with help with the pointers. And a linked list is the main important concept, because the data element managed with the help of different node, and each data element called as the node. Whenever we look at the second point, it explains us that each node in the linked list is divided into two parts. We already know about the linked list, but the short description about that point we should have to explain here. Each node in the linked list is to be divided into two parts. First part is called info part, whether the second part is called the link part. In the info part, which contains the information about the element or the actual element, and the second part is called the link part, which is the next pointer, that is contains the address of the next node. In the easy sense, we should have to keep in our mind each node is divided into two parts. First part or one part is denotes the element or the information part, and the other part is called the address part, that contains the address of the next node. Whenever we look at the example in the point number 3, look at the example. The different elements are there inside the different node. The starting node is there, that holds the address of the next node, and again the next node contains the address of again next node. So we can see with the easily that each node has divided into two parts. The one part is about the information, and the another part is related with the address part of the next node. You can look at the every node of linked list, that is showing you the information part and link part also. There is also a pointer that points over the different node from starting node up to the last node, and the address part of the last node is showing the null address, that tells us the nothing is there, means no one node is added after there. So this diagram is also explaining the details about linked list. We will see the next point. Our next point is tree. Tree is a non-linear hierarchical data structure. Just compare the three different definitions: linear array, linked list and tree, in which linked list store the non-homogeneous data, linear array store the homogeneous type of data, tree is the hierarchical non-homogeneous data storage. For that, non-linear hierarchical data will be stored in the tree type of structure. Tree is made up of different nodes that are arranged with the hierarchical type of data, and it is a finite set of one or more node that is collected data items such that there is a specially designed node called the root node. Root node is very important node because the starting of the tree is from the root node, so the specially designed node is called root. The remaining nodes are from n up to 0 or finite disjoint sets, n, z, or the finite disjoint set of t1 t2 up to tn. Means t1 t2, what do you mean by the t1 t2? T1 t2 are the different subtrees. T1 can be one subtree, T2 can be another subtree. So the tree can be made up of different subtrees that collects the different node, and that will be the combination of different subtrees, different nodes, that will made the complete tree. So from that we got the knowledge about the three different definitions like tree, linked list and linear array. For that we have completed the today's part. So best of luck student for your future. Be study hard and write down the concept in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Bye.